In this video I want to make a clock out of wood and resin, and I'm gonna use that plank to do it. To start off, I draw out the radius of the clock. So I ended up with a radius of 13 centimeters, which is just about 5 inches. As you saw, I first tried with 10 centimeter radius, but thought that was a little too small. So we are ready to saw it out. I am really not good with that kind of saws, so as you can see the cut is very rough, so we now have to move over to the sander to get the exact shape. Now that we got into shape nice and round, we can start sketching out the pattern on the clock. So I'm just gonna start by drawing around a piece of wood to let me make a sketch of it on this piece of paper. And I warn you, I'm not good at drawing, but I'm gonna do my best, so be nice. And if you wonder, yes, I cheated a little. I had a sketch from earlier that I used. Now that you finally have the pattern glued to the piece of wood, we can finally start to root out the riverbed. So we are almost done with the sanding. The only thing left is some hand sanding to get down the edges. Now the last thing I want to do before I put resin into the wood is to have a finish on it. And today I'm going to use normal Danish oil. And for that I'm gonna need my breather, so see you when I'm done. So it's been a full day since the last layer of Danish oil, and I have to say I did apply a second layer after the first one yesterday, right before I went to bed, but it has all dried up now. It's all drained into the grains, and we can continue with the best part of this project, the part that I've been excited for all the way since I thought about this project, and that is the resin part and the pouring part. Now to get the blue color that I want, I use some blue powder that I found online, and I just mix it into the resin and add more if I need to. I also mix up another batch with both some blue and white to get a little bit more play into the colors. I know it doesn't show on camera, but I promise there is some small color difference between the cups. So, what do you think? Comment your thoughts below. I have to say, on my behalf, I am really pleased with this. I think it turned out great, and I love the colors. Before the final layer of resin, I do the last preparations for the clockwork. This is so that I won't damage the final coat later on. I also had a change of mind and decided to sand down most of the Danish oil from earlier. Okay, now that the sanding is done, we can go over to the final resin step. So, I'm just gonna pour up some resin and mix it, and then we just gonna pour it onto the clock and try to even it out on the whole surface. Okay, both cameras recording and we can start. Thank you for watching my video. This ended up being a huge project with 2 cameras and over 50 different scenes. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, like, subscribe, share, bell icon, any of that would be really appreciated. A new video is coming next week, so I will see you then. Goodbye.